software you need on your computer. If you've just bought a new computer or want to maximize your current one, the right software can transform your experience. The best part? You don't have to spend a dime. Here's a story about the top 7 free software tools every computer user should install to improve productivity, security, and creativity. 1. Google Chrome, your gateway to the web. Every computer needs a reliable browser, and Google Chrome fits the bill perfectly. No rich speed, customization, and integration with Google services, it offers seamless browsing and syncing across devices. With a vast library of extensions, Chrome becomes more than a browser, it's a versatile tool for work entertainment. Act 2. LibreOffice, free alternative to Microsoft Office. Why spend money on Office software when LibreOffice offers everything you need? This open-source suite includes Writer, Calc and Impress, which are equivalents to Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Fully compatible with Microsoft Office formats, LibreOffice is a powerful choice for students, professionals, and home users alike. 3. VLC Media Player, the ultimate media player. Whether it's videos, music, or podcasts, VLC Media Player plays almost every format without needing extra codecs. It's lightweight, fast, and comes with features like streaming, screen recording, and audio equalization. Say goodbye to frustrating, unsupported format errors. Lasher 4, GIMP Advanced Photo Editing for free. Want Photoshop-level capabilities without the price tag? GIMP, new image manipulation program, is your answer. From basic edits to advanced retouching, GIMP supports layers, plugins, and customization. It's perfect for graphic designers, photographers, or anyone looking to dabble in photo editing. 5. 7-Zip. Compress and extract files with ease. Managing compressed files is essential for saving space and transferring data efficiently. 7-Zip is a lightweight yet powerful file archiver that supports a wide range of formats, including zip, RAR, and its own high-compression 7Z format. It's a must-have for anyone dealing with large files or frequent downloads. 6. Bitdefender Antivirus Free Edition. Stay protected. Cybersecurity is non-negotiable, and Bitdefender Antivirus Free Edition provides robust protection without slowing down your computer. It offers real-time threat detection, anti-phishing tools, and automatic updates, ensuring you're always one step ahead of malware and viruses. 7. Audacity. Edit audio like a pro. For podcasters, musicians, or hobbyists, Audacity is the ultimate free audio editing software. Record, cut, mix, and enhance your audio files with professional-grade tools. It's intuitive, making it suitable for beginners, yet powerful enough for advanced users. Why these software tools are essential. These 7 tools cater to different aspects of computer usage: browsing, productivity, security, and creativity. They're user-friendly, lightweight, and free, ensuring your computer runs smoothly without unnecessary costs. Installing these free programs ensures that your computer is equipped to handle almost any task. From watching movies to editing photos, from managing files to staying safe online, these tools cover all the bases. Best of all, you can download them directly from their official websites, ensuring you're getting the latest versions without risking malware. Start with these recommendations today and watch your computer's potential soar.